Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your Honda HR-V AC. First, gather your tools: a manifold gauge set, a can of R134A refrigerant, and safety glasses. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the engine off. Now, locate the low-pressure service port on your AC system, usually found on the larger diameter line near the firewall. Next, connect the blue hose from your manifold gauge set to the low-pressure service port you just located. Ensure it clicks securely into place. Then, attach the yellow hose to the refrigerant can tap valve, making sure the valve is closed. Before adding refrigerant, observe the current pressure reading on your manifold gauge to understand the system's starting point. Now, start your Honda HR-V's engine and turn the air conditioning to its coldest setting with the fan on high. Slowly open the low side valve on your manifold gauge, allowing refrigerant to flow into the system. Add the refrigerant in short, 10 to 15-second bursts, closing the valve between each burst. Continuously monitor the pressure gauge to avoid overfilling the system. Once the pressure is within the recommended range, close the low side valve and disconnect the manifold gauge set from the service port. Replace the protective cap on the port. Finally, sit inside your Honda HR-V and confirm that the air conditioning is blowing cold air effectively. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Keeping your AC properly charged ensures comfortable driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.